Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Source. So recently RBI has released its annual report that is called the Ombudsman Scheme Report. This report is published annually by the Reserve Bank of India, which is also called the Central Bank of India. And this report has been published on 10th of February recently, which shows different kind of complaints which has been resolved by the RBI and what are the methods through which this all these complaints has been resolved. So we will discuss about how these kind of complaints which are being resolved by the RBI, how many types of complaints that is being received by the RBI in last 1 year, and how RBI has worked on these kind of thing. So we will also discuss about the role of RBI in resolving these kind of problems that is being coming through in our system. As you know that the government of India is emphasizing a lot more about by how we can digitalize our ecosystem. So we'll discuss about all these things. So let's start this discussion. Before starting this discussion, let me remind you that you can join through our Telegram channel or Facebook channel, whose link has been also been given in the description box. So Reserve Bank of India on 10th of February has released its annual report of the Ombudsman scheme, and this report which is published of the year 2019 and 20. And if you see, there are a lot of evidences and there are a lot of positive vibes coming through this scheme. But the major outcome I would say is that there is an increase, although there is an increase of around 65% of the recipient of the complaints, but almost more than 90% of these complaints has been resolved by the RBI. So this is some satisfactory news for India as far as digital marketing is concerned and the kind of digitalization that is being adopted by the government of India. So if you see this banking ombudsman's report which is being published by the RBI, this report RBI it talks about that this report of ombudsman scheme has talked about the digital transaction, and it is an expeditious and cost free apex level mechanism through which the resolution of complaints has been resolved. And this digital transaction is this kind of complaints which is taken by the RBI, they try to manufacture and try to resolve the complaint as soon as possible. So if you know this banking ombudsman report which is being published since it started in the year 1995, and under it was introduced in the year 1995 through the section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. So this ombudsman report talks about lot of positive thing. So if you see what are the all those indications indicating about this report, first of all I would like to say is that, like I have said earlier, that more than 65% of the recipient of complaint has jumped up from the last year, but the more than 90% of these kind of report has been resolved by the RBI. Apart from this, RBI, as you know, that there are three ombudsmen kind of work through this mechanism, under which if you see these three ombudsmen of the RBI is that, first of all, it is a banking, other one is non-banking finance company, and the third one is the digital transaction. So under all these three transactions, the RBI complaints number has been increased as compared to the last year. But the thing is that now the thing that which stood out as compared to the another country is that this time what has happened is that although the number of complaints has increased from the last year, but the kind of mechanism or swiftly mechanism I would say RBI has done to resolve all these complaints is which is appreciable by the government of India. And the major complaints where which comes through the is the ATM related complaints, debit card, mobile electronic banking. And apart from this, the major complaint I would say is that complaint received on the ground relating to the credit card failures to meet the commitment, levying without the charges. So what has happened is that different banking, what they do is that they will not let you any consumer know that we are charging some another type of taxes, and they will levy that taxes on you. So these are the all those complaints that has been received by the RBI ombudsman report. And apart from this, there is an increase in the complaint resolvement agreement between the RBI, and which has also we have seen that more than 69.8% has, these complaints has been resolved by the RBI. So if we look at all these pictures through a graph, we can analyze that, the number of complaints in 2019-20 has increased to 3,86,000, 88,633 30. So you can, see that how this number has jumped up and parachuted in such a way that the way we are moving through the digitalization, the way we are adopting the digital mechanism, the number of complaints is also increasing. And one important thing, if you, look at this graph, the major, important thing which stood out for me is that the number of mechanisms under which the complaints has been resolved has been also moved or also switched to the digital transaction. So what is happening right now is that the number of manner of complaining has also switched to the digital mode, in which the mail of, the manner in which the mail complaint has increased, the online digital, complaint has increased. So you can see through this graph is that the manner of complaining has also increased, but at the same time, if you see, the offline mode of, complaints has, it is decreasing day by day. So these are the some of the, major outcomes, I would say, of this report which has come across. So I really hope you guys have understood what I am trying to say that about this report. So that's it for today. Thank you as always for joining.